Hi, Charlene here from Radical Feng Shui with Charlene, and I'm embarking on my new series about the power garden. So this particular video, I'm going to explain to you about creating a power garden. Now, it doesn't actually have to be a garden, but if you do create a garden, you can do it so that it's small or big. It can be in a plant container. It can be in a small container in your home or on your deck somewhere. Even if you're in a big apartment somewhere in a big city, you can create a power garden. And the reason I want to explain this really well to you, as opposed to my last year's video, is that in this series I'm doing on healing, I realized that it's a really great way to learn how to empower yourself by creating or activating something with the Bagua, the Feng Shui Map. So the last series was going to each and every section. It'd be really good to review that so you know what you're getting into. But now you're going to translate that into a small space. Now, there's several secrets around power gardens. One of the first ones is you should always be able to view it from above. You can't just walk up to it. You have to be able to see the whole thing at once. And the other thing is, we do use the compass. So when you're setting up your power garden, make sure north is in the north direction. It takes a simple compass. Many of us have them on our smartphones, so it's easy to figure out which is north. Start it with north in the north direction, because then you're aligned with the compass energies and the planetary energies of what you're creating. Now, I knew about power gardens many years ago, but it took me up to 2 years to actually create it, to find the space where I could see it, to actually put in the colors, to find all the plants that match the elemental colors that you're going to insert, to find the right border for the power garden, because you want to put a border around the whole Bagua and you want to create a sacred center and put something special there. So it's finding the space and how you're going to create it. So you, like I said, if you can do it in an actual garden, make sure you have a perch that you can see it from. I created mine inside my bedroom where I could see it outside my window. That may not be the same for you. That's why some people like to do it in a big planter in their homes, on the deck, out in their gardens, so that they can actually view it from above. So these are the important things about power gardens. And like I said, it doesn't have to be plants. You can actually create a power garden with rocks and color. You can use semi-precious stones, you can use beads, you can use marbles. So long as when you're creating it, you're setting an intention for yourself and the specific healing that you want. Thank you for joining me. I'll be back with the next part of the power garden. Please subscribe.